is happening in this great country of ours. The cardinal and the primary responsibility of any government, as we know, is to protect and secure its people. Security is the paramount responsibility of a government, because government is supposed to protect human life and the property. What we are seeing in Kenya today is most unfortunate and very sad, because yesterday you saw Kisumu, goons who are being sponsored by government agents. We saw what happened in Orikarau, Nyandarua, where a policeman shot somebody who was innocent. We condemn this because really, as Kenya, if we go down that road, then we will not be our country. We will not be able to have a country. We are appealing to the government of Kenya to come and take its responsibility as government a little bit seriously, because if it continues this way, then we are totally going to be a failed state.
Kumulao kwa kuchunga maisha na mali ya wananchi wa Kenya, Kisii included, because tunalipa kodi. Atuulizi kwa kupembeleza. It is our right. Imeweka katika katiba yetu, lazima kila mtu apate haki yake. Haki ya mwingine inaisha pale yangu inaanzia. Na serikali inapoangalia mambo yakitendeka namna hii ni kama kucheza na moto. Na sijui kwa nini, na hii maneno yote is we say the buck stops with the head of state, Honorable Dr. William Samoei Ruto, a man who has gone to school. He knows what is right to do. He wrote on a promise of not using state organs and institutions to punish people. Lakini ameenda akaona kwamba umekuwa utamu kugandamiza watu. And I am telling them, there is no pressure, no intimidation. Nothing can stop an idea whose time has come. Kenyans have suffered sufficiently.
Everyone else. You saw what happened to Ososi in Kisumu. You saw what happened to the Mapinduzi in Keumbu. You saw what happened to the security team for the governor for, what is his name? Kangata. This is what is happening. You are seeing what is happening even in Bonchari right now. You can see what is happening all over. All those people, the moment they are arrested, what happens? They come out, they are bailed out. Why? Because the system is not being strict on people who are pro-government. If this is what is going to go on, remember one thing, that anybody who is in power and using this system to protect himself and insulate himself and to harm other people, when you are out of that place, when you are out of that power, do you expect to be protected? That is the position you should put yourself in. We are asking, and this president is ours. He's a president for everyone else. We have worked with him, the team that has spoken. We have worked with him. But again, we are the people who are suffering. Why should we suffer when he knows us? Why shouldn't he feel our pain? Why should it be the one to pour our blood? We need this to stop, because this world is for all of us.
In Kisii, we are having a lot of Goonism, a lot of violence, a lot of insecurity all over. And the financiers and the sponsors of this particular violence are known. And we are also asking government to take the necessary required steps so that these particular people can be arrested and taken to court. Because the sponsors of what happened in Keumbu and all these other areas are known. But so far, no action has been taken. So we appeal to government to take the necessary required remedial action.
Samoei Ruto, ni kwamba he has been a candidate of Hague. Hague is not closed. We never signed off the Hague Statute. This thing is like playing with fire. Nobody is safe. I think when this country degenerates, even William Ruto and his family and his friends are going to be victims of this. You cannot stop an idea whose time has come, and Kenyans may at one point say enough is enough. We don't want to get there. We're not violent. But sometimes you need to stand up to defend yourself. If the institution has failed, the government has failed us, but let's not go there. It's also a window, because Ruto's and his administration window is still open, and it's closing faster. Before the country degenerates into chaos and anarchy, please, William, step out of your comfort zone. We respect you. You know how, with the journey of travel, you become the first president only after being a deputy president. I ask you not to lose your legacy. Even if you are exiting, exit with honor and do not waste an opportunity that God gave you to serve Kenyans and leave a legacy. If you don't want to leave a legacy, we leave it up to you. It's up to you to change, or otherwise, Kenyans are watching and we shall serve you the nice portion of poison in the ballot box.